Hey everyone, right now I would like to talk to you about ConnectPlaza Agent, what it is, why we built it the way we did, and how you can use it. The Runtime Agent is the heart and soul of the integration platform, as it drives all the integration flows in your environment. The agent, as we refer to it, is a software component that can be downloaded directly from your iPaaS cloud. It is designed to run on virtually any platform, to help you bring integration anywhere you need it to be. The software is the culmination of years of development, where we strive to build a lightweight, versatile, platform-independent, and performant runtime software component without having to rely on third-party vendors. The agent is completely home-built using Java and Spring Framework technology. Our agent can run on any platform and is compatible with OpenJDK to run anywhere, such as on-premises in your company or offshore to any cloud provider imaginable. We have special tools in place to help you install the software on Windows and Linux environments easily without having the need for complex installation skills. As opposed to many other products, we differentiate ourselves by delivering the choice of deployment to our users. Our agent product can be installed on-premises, on cloud servers, or even in a hybrid configuration. The agent is also extremely scalable, as additional runtime installations can be added on the fly. Whether your organization needs additional testing space or needs to add more capacity to a productional environment, the Runtime Agent will provide all the power you need. If you're interested in our product, please try it for free now, and please feel free to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch all other great videos on our products, explore our possibilities, or follow our tutorials online. Thanks for watching.